Hello guys, so today I want to teach how to link the planner on here like this. So first, go to the page that you want to link the GoodNotes. And then click share on the top bottom and click copy. And go back to the GoodNotes. And click until appear add link. And then click link settings. And click link to document or website. Just paste the link. Now you can click the link and it will appear to the page that you just did before. Ta-da! Well done! After download, you can just open in GoodNotes. Okay, here we got planner duration kit free just for you. We got DIY and pre-made. And of course, we got both landscape and portrait. And you can creatively do what you want if you choose the DIY one. And pre-made one for you who likes to do it instantly. We got 1 until 3 years for you. Okay, now we back on my page. The most interesting part, I choose the cover and add on my GoodNotes. Now go to the right one. My chapter index is done. From 2026 until 2027. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.